Okay, so yeah, hello guys and welcome back to our channel Monk Tech, and today we are going to discuss about a very specific topic, that's your power supply. Well, power supply is that component of your computer that you don't observe that often, but it's the main thing that powers your computer. It powers everything, like literally everything is powered by a power supply, directly or indirectly, let it be. So the thing is that the latest the latest graphics card generations, whether it be offerings from AMD or Nvidia, both of them are like very power hungry offerings, because we have seen that like our RTX 3080 requires an 850 watt power supply, which could even like get spikes much higher. So you need a better power supply higher than 850 watts, because you need to power all your other components, let it be your CPU, motherboard, and all your fancy RGB lighting. You need power from them also. So yeah, like we need now power is like something that's much more required by components right now. So in this scenario, we are also speculating that the next few generations could also be like more power hungry, because AMD has came right into the graphics card market after years, and now they have been trying to get the crown on the graphics card market again, so that like they could be the ultimate PC component legends, whether it be processors or graphics cards. They are trying their best, and Nvidia is also trying their best to stop AMD from getting that. And well, Nvidia is right now doing a great job, I guess. So there are chances that next few generations could be actually very power hungry, and Intel is they are coming again to get their processor king crown back, gaming king, I would say, crown back from AMD. So if it's something like that, anywhere near that, then Intel could also be needing much more power in the Rocket League CPUs, that are the 11th generation CPUs. So keeping these things in mind, well, like earlier we could have been sustained a good amount of time with a 450 to 550 watt power supply earlier, but like nowadays, as a changing scenario, now power supply is something I am making this video mainly because power supply is something that lives with you for decades. Like there are people that bought power supply 10 years later, they keep changing everything down the line, like let it be the case, let it be the anything, like they would change the entire computer, but they would have the same 10-year-old power supply that's still good if taken good care of, obviously, and working working like great, I guess. So yeah, it's a very important thing right now. So the thing is, like, if you want to make your PCs future proof, or at least your power supply for say, then you should invest in like something something about a good number. So as the mid-range graphics card section is going on right now, and the mid-range that could be anticipated for a few upcoming years, I would recommend that anywhere between 650 watts to 750 watts of power supply would be good enough for a mid-range computer, I would say. But here I'm using mid-range word again and again, because if you plan to go slightly higher range, like suppose like today if you are buying a 3060, but like next a couple of generations later, maybe you would be buying a 4070 or 5070 or 5080 for the say, for we can say. So in situations like that, you need to have extra power. Then 750 watt might not fulfill, might 650 watt might not fulfill that. 750 watt could be still decent enough, but if you are just planning to go like 3060, 4060, 5060, 6060, like the similar range, that 60 series graphics card all over your spectrum for ages from now, then you could like still see for a 650 watt power supply. So yeah, like here all I have to say is, like, if you are going to make a PC build right now, then the recommended power supply for you is anywhere between a 650 watt to a 750 watt power supply. Well, that's because I would say that's future proofability. But suppose like if you are very tight on budget, very tight, then obviously like you could cut corners. But please don't cut corners on companies, okay? Buy it from reputed brands like Corsair, EVGA, and Thermaltake. Cooler Master and all, they also make power supply, so you can buy one from them. Silverstone makes good ones also. So like that's all for today's video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And till then, signing off. Peace out.